Okay. What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today we'll be playing a new game. Well, it's not new, but like new to my channel. A new game called I Am Cat. It's basically a game where you're a menace to society, but you're a kitty cat, just like all kitty cats in real life. But I'm in the wardrobe right now, and there's like a bunch of thingies, like cosmetics. Right now, I have gold claws. You have a watch for your task. I have a Sharky. But look, I have no spider. But I got 5. Oh my gosh, I'm about to buy everything. No, I don't like that. Yeah. Oh, I like Sharky. This one. Woo. Got glasses. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, you have like claws, like the normal ones, or gold ones. Alright, but that's basically it for the wardrobe. But they also have packs that you have to buy. You can buy kitty cats, Santa, Empire. But let's can I move? Gotta walk in real life, I guess. But yeah, so the game is basically you just gotta like complete a bunch of different tasks. Like I'm already on the butcher, but you start at Granny's, you progress to the garage, street, and then butcher store. But we're just gonna continue off with butcher store. If you guys like want to suggest any like thing in this game or like any other game, I'll do it. I am security, but let's get into it. Alright, well, we're in the butchery. And I already done like a lot of tasks in here. As you can see, the casing is broke. He's ugly. But this is the watch to do your task. So we gotta turn off. Can you shut up? Turn off the refrigerator. We'll find out in a minute. And basically, we'll do that right now, actually. But I think you gotta get up here. Does that lead? I think it does. Break vases. Hold on. Scatter button. Wait, buttons off on. From what? From where? Buttons? Like that type of button? No. Well, we gotta flip it to close. Whoop! Freaking bald all head. When he wakes up, he'll hit his head pretty hard. Move out the way. Move! Oh my god, bro. What the heck? How did... Bro just teleported. Bro teleport. What the heck? Oh yeah, I forgot. The scatter buttons. What buttons, bro? Oh nah. What buttons, dog? These buttons? These? There's no buttons. What is this? Oh yeah. So my guy? I can't get out! What the heck? What is that? What's the light? Can I set him on fire? Buttons or bottles? Buttons. I don't know what it is. if it literally means just buttons, then I'm gonna crash out. Because I feel like it means something else. Well, this is a vase. We'll get that. I'm recording. It's fine. I'm sorry, bro. I missed it. It says batteries. No! Why did I say batteries? Buttons. Thingies? Oh. Add it. That makes sense. Well, can I just do this? Does it not do anything? Bruh. Well, I like yarn. I'm a cat. Okay, sit here. Ah! Okay, new task. Oh. So we're done with the game. We're already done with the game? I'm so sorry, guys. That was so short. But we'll do like another play, just a gameplay next time. Why are you trying to eat it? It's not hurt. There. That hurt. I'm burning your hand off. Oh my god, bro. Why are you so fast? No, I didn't want to eat it. What? Bro, you just hit me through the wall. Again? Are you serious right now, bro? Alright, well, we're gonna do one more thing, then I'll see you guys in the next video because, like, that was so short. Where am I at? Where am I? Oh, I'm stupid. I already solved this. I'm so stupid, guys. But here. Oh nah. Yeah. He's on a leash, bro. Get out. Get up! Oops. This kitty got some jumps, bro. Look. Just zoom. Or he got some, like, speed on his boy. He got some real speed. Huh? Did bro just throw up? Okay, so we're gonna be opening a secret vault. Guys, look. Nothing in there, right? My head's in there. Grandma, I'm so sorry. What did you say? Whoa, I just lagged. I lagged! Oh my god, guys. I actually almost just died. Alright, but so this key, coin, whatever you want to call it, opens this. You know what this gives you? Some moolah. What do you do with it? I don't know. Wait, that's where I just was. That's the streets. Yeah, the vape shop. Where'd the doggy? I hope the doggy dies. I'm kidding. I don't actually hope the dog dies, but he's gay. That's where I just was. Doggy house. There's a doggy house. Oh, that's mad empty though. Okay. Shut up. Kitty does not die either. Besides, if he gets hit by a meat stick by the butcher, then he... Look! All this freaking money, you can't even do anything with it. Maybe you can. Let me just do something real quick. Can you bribe Grandma? Ew, what is that? Do I still keep the money in here? No. But yeah, you can basically buy stuff here, and they're coming out with new maps like Lighthouse, Rocket, Glacier, Submarine, and Beach. I'm super excited for those. But anyway, like you should go definitely should go check out the game. It's not free, sadly. It's like 10, 15, $5, something between there, depends where you live. But that's basically I'm Cat, but there's like 10 times more than what I just showed you. But I look so cute, by the way. Look. But alright, so that's basically it for the vid. And see you guys next time. Peace.